Hi cloud people, here I am again with a new video, and this video will be all about how and why cloud is important in 2024 and for future. So, as you guys know that everything around you is shifting to cloud. You can name it anything. I can bet that most of you, like every one of you, is using cloud storages for your storing your photos, for videos and other document and stuff. Your Gmails, your databases, everything is stored on a cloud somewhere or other. So cloud is the most booming field according to me. That's gonna boom way too much. Not just me, the stats say it, the article says it. Not just cloud, cybersecurity, AI, IoT, these are the things that everybody knows that's gonna boom. So here I'll talk about cloud only for this video particularly. Later on I'll also discuss security perspective, cybersecurity things, penetration testing thing. So don't worry about that. If you are interested in doing cloud, if you are confused if you should do cloud or not, then I guess this is the video for you. Check it out. So, the cloud is literally better than your on premise infrastructure. Why? Because there are many factors. I'll define 10 or 8 to 10 factors to you, so you'll get a brief about it. But the thing is, like, if you are planning to make an infrastructure and it's on premise, so like on premise means that's it's your in your home, it's in your office, it's in your company, factory, anywhere physically accessible by you. So like this is my laptop that I'm recording with, so this is my on premise infrastructure. I'm using its hard SSD, I'm using its graphic card, I'm using its Windows. So it's all on premise. I have purchased it, I have set up it, and I did all the work. So what cloud do for you, it provides you an on cloud, basically on cloud infrastructure. So you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to set up anything for a particular things, like not anything, like you don't have to uh, set up any physical thing. So cloud offers many main benefits that will help you achieving your goals in cheaper, and you can innovate more better, and you can make better things with cloud. Cloud provides you, so we can see here introduction. Cloud is something that is changes your every way of doing things. It changes your on-premise infrastructure, it changes your business potential. It is the main key advantage to make your business transform. If you want to transform your business, if you want to get more profits, more innovation, more business oriented things, then you should definitely switch to cloud, and this is the right time. Cloud cloud computing is a basic thing for you. You just have to understand the essentials and basics of cloud. Like you have to know what the services they are providing, what is the cloud service provider, how many cloud service providers are there, like GCP, AWS, Azure. There are many others too. So cloud is something that is very vast topic, but if you trying to get into cloud for your company or for your educational purposes, you have to start from essentials. So essentials means the services they provide, and the other thing, like what is cloud, simple thing, what is cloud. Many people don't know the cloud is. They many people, most of them thinks the cloud is a basic storage, because they get to store their photos, videos and stuff there. It is not just storage, it is a proper environment infrastructure that you can build for your own self. Cloud provide cost efficiency. So I'll give you the example, like business example, your educational example, everything in that. Cost efficiency, how? Suppose you have to make a setup, you have to start a startup, and you have 10 members, and every member wants their individual PC, or every member wants their individual setup lab. So you'll have to purchase 10 CPUs, 10 monitors, 10 keyboards, 10 mouses, 10 GPUs, graphic cards, and whatnot, SSD, thermocooler. There are so many things. Electricity mainly, a boundary, a area, a room, proper room you have to buy. So if you switch to cloud, you won't have to buy a physical place, you won't have to buy any physical thing except for your maybe a laptop or keyboard, something to access it. Of course you need internet to access cloud. Okay, so you just need to buy cloud services, and you buy internet only to access your things. So cost efficiency is one thing that is provides. There are so many things, I'll provide some briefs about the main things. That's the benefit of cloud. Scalability and flexibility, so many people doesn't know what does it mean. I'll explain to you in brief. Scalability and flexibility. What does it mean? Scalability. Suppose you want 10 GB of storage as of now. Okay, so you buy 10 GB storage, you rent 10 GB storage from cloud. Okay, suddenly you require 20 GBs, so you can't go and purchase, you have to rush it. So what you can do, you just ask your cloud service provider to provide 10 GB more. It will provide you at that exact moment. You want 100 more, it will provide you that. You want 1000 more, it will provide you that. Okay, flexibility is like you can be flexible with your things. You can do this, then other stuff, then other stuff. You can stop any stuff at any time. So it's all up to you. You can scale your application as large as you want. In case you get more traffic, you can increase your server space. If you get more storage, you can more data, you can increase your storage capacity. There are so many things that you can do with cloud, and that you can't do physically, because you'll have to set so many things and it will be a chaos. Enhanced security, of course you'll get more security with cloud, because if you are providing on premise infrastructure, you are the only one that is going to secure your infrastructure. But when you choose cloud, cloud will be the one that will make sure that your security from their end is secured at least. So mostly your physical security will be stored, only the internal security that you will make, the accounts, the data, the client data that you will store, the systems that you will make inside the cloud will be your security. Otherwise everything will be handled by a cloud service provider. Okay, so improved collaboration, of course. If I am putting something on cloud, you are sitting in United States, you are sitting in Australia, you can work from there on the same project, accessing the cloud with such some API keys or SSH keys that I'll provide you, so you can collaborate better. If I have a physical lab here and I'm doing some project, doing some development here, I have to share the whole physical thing with you, but with cloud you can just access the same thing and work from anywhere and collaborate with me. Disaster recovery and business continuity. This is the most important thing for a business based company or business based person, because data disaster recovery and business continuity, what does it mean? If your business goes into any data loss, if your business shut downs because of the memory loss, because of the system loss, if your data loses, if you lose your data because of any case, you'll have backups, you'll have other things, you'll have your data, your machines running on a different server as well. So cloud provides you that advantage. Cloud gives you that authority to make sure that you have backed up everything with your perspective, with your ideas, that where it is stored, what's all stored, and for how long it is stored. So disaster recovery is a must thing if you are looking it for a business perspective. Case studies, you will have many case studies around on your cloud service provider's website, apps, by the support system that you will call, and that case studies will help you on how to configure, how to build, how to manage your infrastructure, how to do things, how to save money, how to make more innovative ideas, how to drive cloud in a proper way to get more benefits. So you'll get various support that you won't get in a physical infrastructure or on-premise infrastructure. Adoption challenges, you'll get many challenges in that will help you to be better. You can do data migration from one place to another, you can do integration complexities that can be very hard in on-premise infrastructures, you can do compliances and all. Many things are there that you can do with the help of cloud. Okay, best practices are there are many frameworks that will allow you to give a brief about what are the best practices to make your cloud the best, make your cloud journey the best, make it the worth your money, your time, and your innovation ideas. The cloud will be a better place if you'll do follow the best practices, the frameworks that your cloud services provider provide. Okay, future trends, as I already told, AI, IoT, machine learning, this is something that we all know gonna boom so much in the near future, and cloud is the one that's gonna connect them together on the cloud area. It will provide you everything that is related to new future trends. It's not like if you go into cloud field you can't move to another field. You can use any field, be it security, cyber security, be it development, be it AI, be it machine learning, be it anything. You can put your ideas, you can innovate better, use all the technologies that you know together to build a better project, a better product for the customer and yourself as well. The future is cloud, of course. I have been saying this, people have been saying this. The future is the cloud. Future is cloud, definitely. Now, the main point that I wanted to tell you guys, the cloud is done. Okay, why you should do cloud? What are the benefits of cloud? What is cloud? every question I guess I have answered properly. If you still have any questions related to that, you can comment down below. I'll shortly make a video on that, or will reply to you if I can in the reply box as well. So me particularly, I am a big fan of AWS because obviously it is the biggest market share. It literally covers 70% of the cloud market share, honestly. Here it is written in 21 Q1, AWS cloud is leads 150 billion cloud market. Okay, so you can see the cloud market is huge. Cloud market is around 150 billion and it was in 2021. It is now estimated around $400 billion and it will go up to around 1200 $1300 billion in near 2025 or to 2028. So it's gonna boom. And why AWS? Because obviously it is the biggest market share of cloud. It provides around 250 plus services. Can you believe 250 plus services that provides? It provides so many other things. And of course I'll show you officially. Official site says that, and I know you will say that it's of course their own official site and how would they provide it. But still you can see the leading cloud, obviously AWS is the leading cloud thing, and its most functionality that I just said, it provides 250 plus services to choose. You can do anything, literally anything. It provides AI support, it provides serverless coding, it provides migration facilities, different types of storage functionality, database servers, web servers, everything you name it, and AWS provides it. It is the largest community of customers and partners. You will see the most AWS job openings anywhere you'll go in place of cloud. You will see most people following AWS for cloud journey because it is the most renowned and most famous cloud and most used, of course. Most secure. AWS is architected to be most flexible and secure cloud computing environment available today because it provides you with the best methods, best permissions and manufacturing to provide you the most security that your infrastructure can be in. So fastest pace of innovation that I already told you, if you will not see, if you are working in a physical environment, you will have headaches like to do physical things for like if it is not working properly, then it's your headache. If the storage is less, if the RAM is less, if the memory is less, if you don't have to store database anywhere, if you want to increase your systems, if you want to make more systems, so it will be your headache and you will waste a lot of time in that. But if you are on cloud, you can save all the time and put that time into your innovation, your ideas, and make better things. You can work on your business more than working on the infrastructure that you are building. That is like no use of wasting your time on. It should not be a headache, it should be a head relief. Like it should be your relief that you have something that you can work on and build better things. It is most proven operational expertise. Yeah, you can operate anything, most reliable, most mature, most secured. Of course, if it has all these capabilities, if it has all these advantages, it is the operationally most expertised service provider. Of course, global network, it reaches to all the countries, you name it. You can put anything on anywhere on the AWS cloud. It has so many servers, available zones, regions, any everywhere around the world. And you can see here they are the big companies that like everybody wants to go in Mang, and Amazon is already providing the cloud services. Netflix also is here, that is using AWS. Epic Games, you all play every game in Epic Games like Valorant, GTA, and everything is on Epic Games. So yeah, you play that and it's all using AWS cloud. Coca-Cola, the biggest, I guess, soft drink company is in the world, like it is using AWS. BMW group of cars is using AWS. So yeah, these all are things that is used by AWS, and you can search it anywhere. I'll provide the link of this website also in the description. You can search on ChatGPT, you can search anywhere. AWS is the most used, most secured cloud service provider at this point, and it will boom much more in the upcoming years. The second one is Azure with a little bit of 12 to 13% of coverage, and the third one, not the last one, of course, sorry. The third one is GCP, Google cloud provider, and it is, I guess, taking around 7 to 8% of cloud network. So yeah, Azure is also good, GCP is also good, but I prefer AWS as for now because I see it as more famous and renowned. And when I search for jobs and when I search for things like cloud related things, I get mostly AWS people, AWS jobs. So that's my thinking. You can choose anywhere, anything. If you want to go with Azure, you can go with Azure. If you want to go with GCP, you can go with GCP. I'll provide videos for all three of them. I can assure you with that I'll not only be focused on AWS. The next video will be on security path, of course. How do you be a cloud security engineer, cloud security architect? And it will be for all three of them: AWS, Azure, and GCP. So don't worry about that. I'll be sharing the video within 2 days related to how to become a security engineer cloud. Thank you guys. If you like the video and you want to do start learning your cloud journey, if you want to begin your cloud journey, I'm always here. If you want any help, you can comment it down. If you want videos or any other topic, I can make a video on that too. So if you like the video and if you think that you should see more of this, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.